And special thanks to this company for sending us this neck and shoulder massager. A little bit of the picture and what you can see here. The front just tells you 6 major acupoints, ergonomic design. It can stretch in 3 directions, and gentle traction and strong traction. The side has some precaution information, and this side just has some more information about the different massage nodes. Nothing on the bottom, and that is the top. So let's cut their little sticker here. Here is what's inside. So first we have a full user's manual and exercise log to basically tell you the different ways you can lay, what it'll be helpful for, how long to do it, etc. You will want to read this in detail so you know how long and how to use this. Then inside of here is the actual item. That's it for in the box. And inside of this plastic is the actual neck and shoulder massager. So it doesn't take any power. It's like one big foam brick. Got a little logo action here on the bottom. But yeah, you'll be able to lay on this and massage your neck and shoulders. So again, special thanks to this company for sending this product to me to unbox and show you what comes inside of here. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.